Hi folks, so today I'm going to show you how to install HawkScan extension for the DevOps marketplace. First we're going to start by searching for StackHawk, and then we're going to see HawkScan here. Click on HawkScan. As you can see, you have a lot of more information here on the landing page. You can see that you can click on Get It Started to get more information how to set up your account, which is needed for this. You need a valid SecOp account. You need a couple of things that you need to set up beforehand as a prereq for this. We also have support here if you need anything that you don't find here, as well as how to learn and some license stuff. So first click on Get It for Free. You need to have a DevOps as your organization set up. If you don't have one, maybe you should talk to your admin or your DevOps manager to add you to that organization or maybe to create one. So I'm going to choose my organization here and I'm going to click install. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do to install it. Now I'm going to head over my organization here and going to create a new pipeline. I'm going to go with the basic stuff here just to show this as an example. Okay, delete a couple lines here. Just click save. Now, if we go and edit the pipeline and we go to task here, now when we search for HawkScan, you can see that we have two tasks, one to install HawkScan and one to run HawkScan. You need to install HawkScan first before you run it, of course. So we're gonna add install HawkScan here. We're gonna choose the latest version. You can pick whatever version you want. If you don't know what version to use, you can click here and go to the doc, stack hawk doc, change log to see all the release that we have and the feature that comes with those release. So just click add here, and we're gonna add that task. This is gonna install HawkScan in your agent, but to run it, you need to install the HawkScan run, or you can write your own script. I would suggest to just install RockScan, which make things easier for you. So again, let's search for HawkScan. Click run. Run, we have different input that it takes. The first input is a repo directory. As you can see, we have more information there, but technically it's just a directory where your file stackoc.yaml lives and where we're going to look for that file. The second one is the config file. Uh, to know more information about the config file, please visit stackhawk.com and click on Get It Started. This file is the one that we're going to look for. The default value for the file is stackhawk.yaml, but you can give us your own custom version of the file, or you can name the file whatever you want, or you can have multiple files and you want to choose which one you want to use. Just give us the name of the file and the repo directory where the file is, and we're going to look for it. The version that you want to run has to match the version installed on the agent. So I'm gonna go with the latest version since that's the one that I picked. So just click add, and then you have your pipeline set up to run your scan against your application. After you have added the run Hawk scan task, you notice that we just add environment variable here called Hawk API key. That Hawk API key environment variable is required to run rock scan. And that's a step that you need to do beforehand. For information how to set up HawkScan API key, please go to the docs.stackhawk.com, search for Azure Pipeline, click on it, and we have information how to set up the environment variable as well as how to use the template that we provide to get you started. Please, if you have any question, head over to stackhawk.com and click on support and ask us any question, any help you want. Hopefully you appreciate this video. Thank you.